in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm...
Alright. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Let me get my Zoom started here. Okay.
Recording in progress.
when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the
Morning.
floor.
Good morning.
Rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay-Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. If I got it, they got it. Family strong, they solid. For the men,
Good morning.
if I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah, I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, I love you, you too. Yeah, I love you too. I love you too. Family so lit, they say we should make a YouTube, but we don't do that. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam.
Good morning, YouTube.
It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam.
GJ's, man. GJ is on a mission. GJ is definitely on a mission to just keep pushing up. She is on a mission. Yeah. GJ is like, leave me alone. I'm on a mission. I'm on a bullish mission. So guys, real quick, the 7-day free trial that I'm offering to you guys, right, to my private community, that promotion ends tomorrow. So tomorrow will be the last day that you can get in and try my private community 7 days free. If you want that, the link is in the description. Would have been good to have a runner on GJ since last consolidation. It would be nice. Damn, wow, this was another nice setup on US oil.
Yeah. Oh, straight for the gap fill. Jeez.
Yep. No, I don't like GER30 today. We'll see the setup we get when London session opens. This has been broken. It's not valid anymore. See what happens. It's possible that we get this 1 hour wick fill and then we reject, or maybe reject this 1 hour demand, and that's where I think I will be looking for buys if we actually do break. If we if we break that wick fill, because GER30 is still bullish. Do you know GER30? I just kept on. I went to the monthly time frame, went to the weekly time frame, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Could not freaking find any zones to the left. I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the highest it's ever been.
I think so too. But then again, I'm like, hey, trading, what are you doing? You're just taking my money for nothing? Did you guys watch that video that I sent to Discord?
Yeah, I saw it just like 30 minutes ago. It's pretty interesting for stock traders. Because that's what it is, right?
No. It's well, Forex.
Oh. Oh, okay. Because it kept saying talking about like investments.
You can I believe you can trade stocks too. So what they do is when you get started, they give you a virtual account, right? So they give you a virtual account on their end because it's their own server and everything. It's more of an hedge fund company. It's not really a prop firm company. So what they do is they'll give you a virtual account. You be trading it with patience, discipline, and all that because they're watching you, right? They're watching your progress. So as long as you keep profiting every month, they're gonna keep scaling up your account. So and then once you get to a certain level, you're gonna have what they call a competition, right? So the top 10 people, they're gonna give them between 25 to 250K. Now that money, they're gonna use it to now fund an account for you, and from there you can have what you call investors, because now they see that okay, this dude actually knows how to trade. He's a good trader. I mean, he or she is a good trader. Now we can start, using all these investors' funds, and then he can trade for those investors and get a pay card every month.
Okay. Yeah, I'm reading it now. It's
I'm
they
still.
cover everything.
I've not really. I've not fully understood it yet. I'm still going through it myself. I feel like when I talk to the CEO, then I guess I'll fully understand it better. And also, as a trader, if this is what anyone wants to do as a full-time career, and with them, you're gonna get to a certain level, you can now have your own hedge fund company using their own server, and they will connect you directly to the investors that they have instead of instead of them being the middleman. They're no longer going to be the middleman, but they're going to connect you to the investors directly. You have that direct link, and then you just be trading those investors' accounts using their server.
It's interesting because you're not making money from your own direct trades, but you're making percentages off of your capital that you profit from. Yeah, it says they cover stocks, ETFs, indices, commodity, Forex,
everything.
currencies, everything.
Yeah, everything. It's pretty interesting.
I think you have to be a really good trader.
Oh yeah, to be with a company like that and actually go through all those stages, if you can do that, man, you a freaking awesome trader. Then you're a freaking good trader. Because these are the kind of stuff you get when you actually have investors. Because there's this dude, he's a Nigerian, but he lives in Dubai. I'm sure some people here on YouTube will know who he is. His name is Dapper Willis. I don't know him personally, but I've had this story of how he got out. I think it was like 2 investors in Dubai, and they were just like, you know what, we're gonna pull this, I think it was like, was it 30 million or $50 million? They invested that, he just trades on it. He trades on that account, and obviously he gets a cut. I mean, he still trades his own account as well, but he does that too. When he got that deal, I mean, $50 million, his income just skyrocketed from there.
Very nice. Yeah. And it gets really hard the more money that you're managing, because it's like you no longer can scalp because you're taking such large positions.
You have an account like that, there's no point saying, you know what, I'm looking for 100 pips. Like, what the hell? You crazy? There's no point. Shit, I'm not even taking partials. I get 10, I'm out. I'm out. And I'm making 20, 50, 100K off of 10 pips. Jeez. Even with my own funds, that's what I plan to do. Like, when I get to a certain capital, like 10, 20, I'm out. You know how Raja trades?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, not really, but he trades kind of like a scalper, right?
He is a scalper, but now he doesn't like take partials. He gets 10, 15, 20, boom, he's out. He closed the trades. Like, no partials, no nothing. I mean, he has enough, more than enough capital to do that. You do this trading, what, $4, $5, $6 million? You said goods sell setting up to 1920 on the break of 1934. Hey guys, smash the like button, YouTube. Let's get 100 likes before London open. Yes, Sunrise, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'll be speaking to the CEO soon. I just got to check my calendar. I'll put the interview on my YouTube too. But a company like this though, like you gotta freaking be a good trader. Like you gotta be freaking very patient. You gotta know what you're doing. You can't be over trading. Can't be doing none of that. I'm not even good, man. I'm not even gonna tell you some of the names of the investors that they have. It's insane. It's how you know that all these rich people, they just want to keep multiplying their wealth. And they're not just making money just one way. Majority of their money comes from investments. All I can say is there's actors, actresses, serial entrepreneurs. Very interesting. Good morning, Justin. I feel like gold is still gonna push back up, and then we might get to, because we do have a nice supply setup. What the hell is wrong with my mouse? We do have a nice supply over here, so we could come back here. Now we create another high. Come back, we test this demand. And do this. Get back up there. And we fall. Fall back down. We could see this setup happen. This is what I strongly believe will happen here with gold.
Gold's right on the edge. If we get like probably like a daily or weekly closure below this area, this thing's going down.
Huh?
On gold, if we get like a daily closure under these levels or a weekly closure, we're probably heading down to the 1800s.
Yeah, we could see that happen. And then if you look at right now, see these highs got taken out here on the 5 minute, this 5 minute resistance got taken out. So we should come back down to either this 5 minute or 5 minute demand or the 15-minute demand. And we actually right at the 15-minute demand right now. So we might not even get to the 5-minute demand. But we currently getting close to the 15-minute demand. So I like to see what this thing is gonna do. I would have wanted to reject off of this 15-minute demand and push up. I wanted to come all the way back down to the 5-minute demand. And if he wants to reject the 15-minute demand, then we should get a sell from 1945, 1944. So we'll see. Depending on the setup here. So we'll see what happens. All I'm saying now is just speculation. Anticipation.
Oh, how did New York session end? Did you get anything?
We took GU. We was in GU for a while. When we got off the stream, we were still on. I was watching it. I'm like, you know what? I'm tired of this thing moving like this. Let me get out. So I closed in profit. That's why I sent it to Discord also. As soon as I closed, like 5-10 minutes after that, she just started dropping.
Okay, lucky. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. You can't be me, and I'm not you. I've been taught to, and I'm not too. Feeling like bliss. I feel like I chew. Wake up, I stretch. Then I eat my food. My food, that's you. You should know that. My boo from the bottom where the flow at. Came from studio apartments, no room in it. Now it's a house with a little welcome doormat. I wanna go on a ride, you wanna ride. Always be on my side, and that's for life. Compliment on my flaws, like that's alright. They all want what we have, and that's fine. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Kiss my baby, I need all of the love. You're number one and there's no runner-up. I tell my babies I need all of the hugs. The blessings hit, I got more than enough. I kiss my baby, all the love that I need. And I'm loving on you, I know you loving on me. I try to give you what you need, and that's all I need. And I give you 100, you got 4 of my C's. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see you, I see you. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Running, see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless.
Now, another cool thing about this downwind stuff is that no account termination.
Yeah, just the monthly fee. And it's cheap too.
38 pounds. That's like $40 or $42 a month. Alright guys, let's keep the likes coming. We need 58 more likes to get 100 likes before London Open. Where do you sign? No, not yet. I'll let you guys know. But when you watch the video that I posted in Discord, Gbpjpy, you have an idea of how the thing works. Oh, you watched it already? What do you think? You can turn your mic on. Let me know what you think about it.
Yeah, no, I think it sounds good. It sounds good.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. Like, it sounds good.
Yeah, and the way you can level up. But then when I heard him say about the monthly fee, I started thinking, oh, okay. But I thought I'd find out more today. Now you're saying 38 or 40, whatever, then that's a no-brainer, man. It's all good.
Yeah. To get started, there is a sign-up fee. I think that's like £95 plus 38 pounds. That's what you pay when you first get started. After that, it's just 38 pounds a month.
Yeah, I think the idea is good. I'm a bit skeptical of like monthly payments, but that don't sound too bad. Just see what happens.
But with this company though, like if you know you're a struggling trader, you're not disciplined, you're not patient, like it's not for you at all.
Yeah.
I think this company, it's like, it's even harder than those prop firms because, this is full-on hedge fund style.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's an hedge fund style and definitely not prop firm.
Yeah, no, I'm interested. Are you gonna do it? King?
Oh yeah, I'm doing it.
Yeah, well, I'm in then. I'm in.
I'm doing it. Because at the end of the day, like even though I have my own capital, now I have 2 funded accounts, I'm trying to get another one, like there will be no limit. I'm just increasing my capital, I'm increasing my income, I'm increasing my portfolio. That's just it.
And that's the actual hedge fund, so like the connections you can make from there is like next level,
Yep, that's why I'm trying to do it, the connection. Because when I saw the whole thing, okay, I'm like, okay, this is gonna be the end goal. This is the stage, because they have different stages. And I want to get to that final stage whereby I will have direct contact with those investors.
Yeah.
So instead of them being the middleman, I wouldn't have to do that anymore. I have the direct contact with not all the investors, but some of the investors that they have. And these are investors that got bread.
Yeah, no, it makes sense.
And when you get to that level too, they go to, because you have to, start your own hedge fund company, and they'll help you with all that.
Yeah.
Obviously,
Yeah, that sounds good.
obviously you got to pay a fee, but the fee won't be an issue, because at that point you already got the money to spend.
Yeah.
There's like a lot of things that you can achieve when you master this skill set. It's not just all about trading your own account. Now, if that's all you want to do, yeah, by all means, you can do that too. But expand. You want financial freedom, right? You want to be rich, you want to be wealthy. But first, you gotta call before you walk. You know how it was as humans when we was babies. We started crawling first before we walk, and then we run. But every person that comes to this Forex industry, they just want to boom. They don't even want to work. They just want to boom, start running. That's why when they start running, they just fall into a freaking deep hole. And they're like, oh, this is a scam. Forex is a scam. There are stages to this. You crawl, then you start walking. From walking, boom, you just take off, you start running. That's when you know, yes, I've arrived. I'm good on my own now. Quick advice. And I gotta go use the restroom. Quick advice. Man, how do I say this? Can you believe I just, this freaking restroom just took over my mind. I can't even remember what I wanted to say. Damn. No, let me go use the restroom. Maybe I'll remember what I was gonna say. I'll be right back.
Good morning.
Good morning, Charmaine.
Good morning.
You sound sleepy.
Very stupid. And I only want to sleep when it's trading time.
Oh, yeah. Boomy in the YouTube chat is asking how King trades all the accounts. Is it with a copier? Yes, it is, Boomies. Yeah, King does use a copier across his accounts.
Plain Jane on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks for real. Went through hell to get to this for real. I'm not pressed to making lists for real. I stay low and stack my chips for real. You keep looking for a flip for real. That's not wealth, that's rich for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. No liens on the whip for real. I get bored, I take a trip for real. Take a loss, I never trip for real. Been in shock, I'm not a lick for real. Don't trust the soul, it's on my hip for real. Make a move and you get hit for real. No pictures by the crib for real. Can't let them know just where I live for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. Plain Jane on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real.
No, we're in the 5-minute demand now. I mean, technically, it's still 15-minute demand as well because we didn't break the law yet.
Stepping, I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why. I never doubted me why. I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for real. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend. Only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids. That's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win. You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash can fold, none of my calls are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my calls are gold. Digital dash on gold. my truth, no tricks. I'm just trying to feed my kids. I'm just trying to keep my way. I'm just trying to live my life while we get rich. Mind my biz, money gon' come, some go. Man, if you know, you know. I've been through highs and lows. Here for the ride, I go. Slide and roll. Up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions. Yeah, none of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital. The dash is digital. Go, go, go. Digital. The cash is digital. The dash is digital. Run it up. Digital.
We could potentially get a sell here when London session opens on US oil. Close bullish.
Morning, King.
Oh, good morning, red lady.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good.
also, the boot camp for this month, the 2-day trading boot camp for this month. If you're gonna be interested in that, all you have to do is to just apply. Make sure you read all the instructions before you submit the form. So the link is down below in the description. Previous 4-hour book or world pair. I don't know the pair you're talking about right now. On Usoil. Look, as you can see, if you look to the left, we got a 4-hour resistance, and then after that, we got a potential 4-hour wick fill. We at a resistance right now. Supply on a 5-minute time frame, so Usoil could fall from here. And look to the left, we got this correction to make. This gap, imbalance, whatever you want to call it. So we could either continue pushing or we could fall. So London is open. See what happens here. I took the sale, guys. Man, she just spiked down. There we go. GP1 is right here. There we go, secured on Usoil, beautiful. Move stops to break even. If you took Usoil, let's see those W's.
Gold breaking down.
Partials taken. See if we can get 20. US GER30 tapped the supply and they flipped. I'm just gonna keep waiting. I don't like the entry because now we got his support here. So too close. So what's up with US oil? Not stopped out of US oil. Out of US oil. GER30 is still bullish, but if we do fall, because we didn't break this structure here, so yeah, I've been stopped out of US oil. We might get a re-entry. I doubt it. Give me 12 pips. I'll take it. Still a win.
Blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand.
You guys were able to secure on US soil, right?
Yes.
No, I got in too late and then got stopped at break even.
Oh. Got a 15-minute demand here. There's not enough room for me to take buys here. Plus we could still fall, so you gotta be very, very careful here. Very careful. Structure here on the 5-minute is that we are bearish. Higher time frame we bullish. So for me, no interest on GER30 yet. For me, I might not even trade GER30 today.
Gold's in an hourly demand.
Gold. Are you talking about gold?
Yep.
No, it's just at the support.
Oh, if you go keep scrolling,
Oh, to
it's
the
like,
left.
yeah, hourly demand all the way across.
Damn, how long do I gotta keep going? How far back? Oh, yeah. Valid. This is the valid 1 hour demand right here. So we are still rejected. And we got a support right there too. So we'll see what happens. Now USI she stopped us out and she wants to keep pushing up. The way this bearish candle rejected, I didn't like it. The way it closed, I mean. With this freaking long ass wick at the top. That's a rejection of the previous supply. I'll take a sell, but we're so close to this support and we might not even break it. If not, I'll take it at least to the next support. So I'd rather wait. Gold. Gold is not clear at the moment.
I think if you just put in a solid buy order on GJ about a month ago, you'd be in a nice position.
You said about a month ago.
Well, it's just been going up and up and up and up, day after day after day.
If we can get, GJ, guys. Am I in? Yes, we are in. Go to the daily time frame. This gold has no top, has no bottom wick. That candle has no bottom wick. I have TP1 here set to 179.181 for 30 pips. But I'm still gonna take my partials and move stops to BE. German 30 buys is tempting, but I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. You know how sometimes you see a setup and like you just won't be feeling it? I don't know if you guys be feeling like that sometimes, but I do. Still rejecting the 15-minute demand. If USL breaks these lows, she should continue dropping. But I will be waiting for this candle to close, because this candle has no top wick. Oh, I got a wick here.
I'ma do this for my seeds. Wife your hair and spin bling. You heard top speed, that's me. You heard add it up, that's me. You heard way up, that's me. I'ma soundtrack everything, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy.
For now, stop loss will be 30 pips. This TP1 about 40. And I was just about to check it. If this candle flips, we in. I gotta give this some breathing room now. Okay. Move this down. I'm in the cell. Alright, that's that. I'm done with London session. Into the music.
Double up. Yeah.
hate it when Gigi does this. Like, she waits for me to get in, and then boom, start acting up. Should be doing that a lot though in London.
It's crazy. It's supposed to be London. Where's the volume on them?
I understand you might be tired after moving up this much, but you still got room to go. Your mission, your bullish mission isn't completed yet. Get to the finish line. Yeah, Usoil is acting up.
Here we go, GJ.
I'm sure you got your 10 already.
Just got it.
I'm still waiting, as usual. Every time I take GG, this happens to me. Only with GJ.
Man, I was thinking about getting a third position on that pullback on that bearish candle. I was like, man, this looked too good. I want another one.
Oh, so you added another position?
No, I didn't. I was like, don't do it. GJ might chop around today. Who knows? You still haven't gone 10?
I'm almost there. Come on, damn it. Oh. I just needed $3 more to secure my turn. And she boom, get down. Man, Usoil is not trying to have it. We'll see. We might be looking at a possible rejection candle here. Come on, GJ, get back up there.
I can remember one time way back when I'd had a losing day and I kept trading to try to keep, winning my losses back. And it was real. I'd been on the charts all day and it was really, really late. And I finally had like a big winning trade. And then I was like when King mentioned $3, I was like $3 from having made back an enormous amount of money that I'd lost through the day. And I thought, come on, I just need that $3. And I took one more trade and I actually ended up blowing my whole account.
Oh, no.
It was like, that was a while back, but you kind of go, no, I just want that little bit more, and then you end up losing a whole ton.
I mean, for me, if I don't get it, then hey.
The problem with overtrading is you just start getting, your mind starts getting foggy. You stare at those charts so long, the bars, they all just melt together.
Oh yeah, I've had days where I've taken 50 trades because I just
man.
I know this is like
50?
like going way back, right? Because I would just keep doing what I call poking, you know, like, oh, that looks good, trade it. Oh, that looks good, place the trade. It was like horrendous, absolutely horrendous.
50 trades in one day. Sheesh.
Yeah.
You know, 50 trades wouldn't be bad if you're doing like position trading. Like, oh, I'll take a little bit here, 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 and long all of these positions up.
No, I was just throwing money on the roulette table at that point.
I'm worried out of GJ. You already stopped me out of my second position.
Yeah, I'm stopped out. Break even. Oh no, I've got my 10 pips.
Well, I didn't get mine yet.
So you might end up going all the way to TP King and being better off than either of us.
I mean, hey, if you start going back up, you know, there could be a re-entry.
Yeah.
I would re-enter right now, but I'm scared that he's just gonna sit here all London session.
Yeah. I mean, statistically, if you look at DJ over the last 20 days.
If we break this over here, then man, oh man, Houston, we're gonna have a problem.
Yeah.
I'm all out. Even my runners.
You got some profit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good. You could write a book, Charmaine, The Sleepy Trader.
I'm telling you.
This is what waiting for $3 more would do to you.
Yeah. Kills me on the numbers that I use. I hate to see the numbers you use. Oh my god.
That's discipline, man. Discipline 101.
It is. It's incredible discipline, Kilbeat. You're absolutely right. It's discipline, you know, not to close before his profit target and to hold the trade. It's amazing.
The crazy thing is, I might get stopped out, and then boom, this thing pushes up.
Okay.
That would be so annoying. Come on, Usoil, stop. At least you make me another cash. GG is tripping over here. We might push back up if we reject here, but we might not. We might get another freaking bearish candle. But we'll see. It's not really had a deep pullback since it started pushing up. I was expecting that the deep pullback though in New York at least. Not now. Come on, USL. Let's do this. Yeah, she's trying to push back up. We'll see. Did I attend SMC ICT? Nope. I'm not an ICT student. Not everyone you see that trades supply and demand is an ICT student.
That guy's got some good marketing. ICT sounds cool.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's what YouTube will do to you once your video blows up, goes viral. That's what YouTube will do to you. Sometimes it be good information, sometimes it could be just simply misinformation.
Stop playing with me. No, you wanna stay with me. So just stay with me.
What the hell?
On the run. We could be
I just saw 10 pips right now and now it disappeared.
Hey, what's your lot size on Usoil?
Me, 0.3, no, 0.03.
So there we go, secured on US.
I only trade a little account.
Okay, because I'm like, oh God, I didn't even put my thing in right. I put in a 0.5. It's like crap.
Taken. We don't get stopped out this time. Another 12. That's giving over US. Stop that again. It does not want to give runners today. It's fine. She's not trying to give runners. Right. Just let this GJ trade here. No, guys, I'm not trading SMC just because freaking ICT, had good marketing, and then he made supply and demand freaking, let me say, popular. Everyone just starts thinking, oh, if you're trading supply and demand, you freaking an ICT trader. No, I'm not an ICT trader. He switched supply and demand and freaking renamed it, calling it orderblock. Like, what's the freaking difference? Why change the name?
King, were you stopped out of Usoil?
Yeah. Yeah, I stepped out of Usoil.
Oh.
I remember seeing a video or documentary before where basically they said that instead of trying to make a brand new product, just reinvent a product, take an existing one, slightly tweak it, and then resell it. So that's ICT.
Yeah.
But then he changed.
Well, he didn't really change anything.
The name.
Yeah. He just did marketing on it.
I mean, I'm not saying he's not a good trader or he doesn't know what he's doing. That's not what I'm saying. And ICT himself, he doesn't do stuff. He doesn't say, oh, so every single trader that trades supply and demand that is his student. I'm sure he wouldn't say that because he should know better than that.
How much does that guy charge for his course?
Oh, I don't know. I have no idea.
He's probably one of those people who do like a couple $1,000, take my course kind of thing.
Maybe. But East Coast works. I mean, I've seen some of these funded traders with all this pop-up company, when they're doing their videos, some of them I've heard some of them say, went through ICT course. So
Back to back. Like the neighborhood warriors. I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go switch an A1, I stay with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks, tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good, tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go
Have you ever tried learning Elliott Wave?
Elliott Wave?
Yeah.
No. Why would I?
I tried learning that. I tried learning that in the early days of my stock trading. Oh my god, it's so hard. Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. Another thing that I never learned how to use was this indicator, Fibonacci retracement. I don't know. I just couldn't figure out how to draw it. Every single time I draw it, I'm like, I keep doubting, like, is this right? Is this wrong? Like, I just couldn't make up my mind. So I'm like, man, look, there's no point for me to even try to use this. It's too complicated for me. So I was just like, forget this. Till today, I don't know how to use Fibonacci retracement.
I hate that Fibonacci thing. There's like so many lines on it that how can you be wrong? You put so many lines, they have to work.
Yeah, and then the crazy part about Fibonacci retracement is every single video, every single trader that trades Fibonacci, their numbers is different. It's not freaking the same. This one will tell you 0.038. Yeah, I think 0.38. The other one will say 0.50. Someone else will say 0.6 something, like 65 or something like that. I'm like, you know what? Forget this. I don't need this. They are traders. They don't use Fibonacci to spend and they're profitable. It's like, screw this. If we break this bearish candle low, this engulfing bearish candle low, it's over with. Just decided to make a pullback before, I mean, right when we got in. Because according to the daily time frame, this thing still has room to push up.
Someone's saying, how about the Ichimoku cloud? But you used to use that one, didn't you, Abe?
Yep, I used to use the Ichimoku cloud.
I've never even heard of that until you talked about it.
Oh yeah, it's good.
What's it do? What does it do?
So basically, like, so once you, if you have the cloud on the chart and price is inside the cloud, it simply means price is, there is no volume or price is ranging if we inside the cloud. But if we above the cloud, you're looking for buys. If we below the cloud, you're looking for sells.
Oh, okay. Simple.
Yeah. So I was using, in the beginning, I was using the old Ichimoku cloud and stuff. But eventually, I'm like, you know what? Let me try adding, because I was trading on a 1 hour time frame. So I was like, let me try adding the 200 EMA and just use the cloud. And I did that and my win rate increased. And like, oh snap, okay, I'm sticking to this one.
But then came ICT and we switched over.
No, before I switched, actually, I had already started trading straight price action on the 30-minute and the 15. I made the switch to price action when I decided to become a day trader. Yeah, that was when I made the switch. I started trading on the 5-minute towards the ending of last year. Before that, I was trading 30-minute and the 15. And so if you go look at my early last year's streams, if you go back and look, you'll see I wasn't trading like this, not on the 5-minute, it was straight breakout. But
Most people, they start on like 1 minute.
But I was waiting for closures though. I wasn't taking impulse entries. Like, that was my rule. No impulse entries. No impulse entries.
What would be your top 3 main rules that you trade by today, Abe?
My top what?
Your top 3 rules that you trade by today.
You know, one has to have a wick, huh? That's number one.
Yep, that's number one. And then number two, I always like, for example, whether it's a demand setup or a supply setup, I always make sure that there's either a resistance formed, it could be major or it could be minor resistance formed before I take my buys. And my final rule, I'll say, before I take partials, I need at least 10 pips, just like what we're looking at on GJ here. I'm either gonna get my 10 pips or I lose the trade. If I lose, I can always make it back. And also,
I think that's important.
For now, I'm not gonna go above my fixed lot size that I have. I'm sticking to that until whenever I feel like increasing my lot size, maybe next year.
Well, did you get back in?
Because if you like, I've never told you guys this before, but I will say it now. For me, in my own opinion, whatever lot size you start off with in your first month, keep using that lot size for the whole 1 month, the whole 30 days. Now, if you finish that month in profit, well, and obviously you need to make sure you withdraw, right? Now, if you finish that profit in that month in profit, you made a withdrawal or some withdrawals, and you still have enough for you to still be able to increase your lot size. Maybe it's by I don't know how many, but if you feel like you can still increase your lot size, you have more. Basically, you have more than you had in there the previous month. Then you can increase your lot size. You can do that monthly. You can do that every 3 months, every 6 months, every year. For me, every year is good enough.
And you calculate your lot size based on a risk percentage, correct?
Huh? Yes.
Yeah. And do you use the same risk percentage for all assets, for indices and GJ, for instance?
No, not the same with indices.
You've seen his indices. That's some high risk.
No, not the same with indices.
Oh, I did not get back in, Charmaine.
Oh, okay.
Like on one of my accounts, my fixed lot size is 30. I'm not gonna use 30 on freaking indices. Hell no. I use like 10.
I'm surprised you used 10. I thought you would, it would be a bit lower because of how much the value is.
I mean, there was a time I was trading indices with 1 standard, 2 standard, 4 or 5 standard. No, if we go far back, I mean 0.01, I'm telling you. I used to think, man, see US 30, oh man, my lot size be like 0.01. Freaking penny.
The reason I didn't get back in is because the hourly candle, it not looking too hot.
Did they close bullish or close bearish?
Bullish, but big rejection with. It's like the wicks are getting larger and larger each way up.
Yeah, but then still there is no confirmation for sales. But if I'm looking at a 1 hour time frame right now, it can go either way. And now we need to break above this new 1 hour resistance. I mean, not 1 hour resistance, this 5 minute resistance here. Well, I'm gonna leave the position.
I don't think there's anything to worry about. I just think that it might just, go sideways until it goes up again.
Yeah. Shane, are you talking to me? Can you ask what size my account do I trade on? Are you talking about my personal account or my funded account? Which one are you talking about? Yeah, we don't even have 100 likes. Oh, wow. Okay, give me 100 likes today.
Let me see if I went to YouTube and I think I did though.
What challenge account size do I think would be good for a 5 standard lot? 100K? 100K. And make sure whatever platform you're trying to go with, for you to use that lot size on a 100K account, make sure their leverage is at least 1 to 100. Anything below 1 to 100, you won't be able to use 5 standard on the 100K account, I don't think. Yeah, 100K is fine. How can you avoid overtrading? Just stop looking at the charts. Stay away from the charts, that's it. If you have nothing to do, watch a movie, like sleep, or take a walk, or go running, or go to the restaurant, or go hang out with your friends. Just do something that's gonna keep you away from the charts. Something that's gonna keep you busy. Something active, something fun. We created another support here on the 5 minutes, so we'll see what's going on here. The 30-minute flip bullish and now we flip bearish again. Dude is not really doing anything either.
Come on, GJ, give him his $3.
I need to get positive again on this freaking trade. I'm still in the negative. I didn't hear Sophia today. Is she here? Oh yeah, she is. There's no volume at all.
Tu peux rentrer, t'inquiète. No go, go. Ah, mais je t'ai déjà sorti ma liseuse en fait. Ah bah non. Mais elle est où? Elle est sortie, elle est dans le chat.
Did I pass the 5% test challenge? Yeah, I have 200 accounts with them already. Oh, are you talking about the new one I'm doing? If that's the one you're talking about, I'm on phase 2 right now. It's 3 phases. I'm still on phase 2. Do I think the 5% is a safe platform? Yeah, the 5% test is one of the first. They've been around since, I think, 2015 or 2016. I think 2016. Yeah, the 5%ers, they just don't have that name because they don't really do a lot of marketing, but they've been around since 2016, I believe. Yeah, so they're not like all these new platforms. I just came from nowhere. All of a sudden, just start seeing all these ads. All these platforms coming out it's not really a bad thing, because I do understand, like, man, in order to really make money in trading,
You need leverage. You need leverage.
and really feel like you're doing something and have that financial freedom, you need capital.
Mm-hmm.
Is very, very hard, trying to go an account to like 5 figures, then 6 figures, and then I don't know how much you're trying to make, and then you'll be like, okay, you know what, I think it's time for me to quit my job. I don't know what your goal is, but when you have a small account, it's
hard, very hard.
It's hard to do. You need a lot of patience. So, all these platforms that are out now, and more are still gonna come. So it's not really a bad thing, but it's just funny how everyone wants to now start a platform. Because there's money in it. They're making bank.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm like, shit, what am I doing? And I'm over here sitting, looking at the chart, trying to take the trade. Even traders have platforms now. And I've said it before, it's not even expensive. Even if you think it's expensive to freaking start a platform, it's not at all. It's very cheap.
For the millionaires.
You said what?
For the millionaires, it's very cheap. We're trying to get to there.
You don't have to be a millionaire. 6 figures. Oh yeah, you can get your own platform.
Okay.
It's not expensive. Even if you're not a trader and you just have that type of money sitting around,
you
can do it.
Yeah, so true.
some of the CEOs of these prop firms, like they don't even know how to trade. Like they don't even know nothing about trading. This is a business to them.
It's basically a casino.
Yep.
Yeah, technically.
It's probably better than a casino. I mean, what's the win rate on, prop firms?
Man.
They probably have like a 99% lose rate for all their customers.
Listen.
Someone told me that and this is actually a prop firm company. Their success rate, it started with the failure rate. Their failure rate was 95%. 95. Their success rate is 5%. Now, out of that 5%, there's still some people that won't get a payout. Right? There's some people that won't get a payout. So it said for that, the percentage rate is 3%. The ones that get payout is 2%.
Oh, I was pretty close.
Yeah, you were. It might be different for another company. Some prop firm, it might be the 99% you said. They're making some crazy bread over there. 95% failure rate. Sheesh. And out of that 95%, at least half is going to try again.
Yep.
Oh, damn.
At least an average trader that wants to get funded at least will give it a shot 3 times, at least, before they give up. I don't know what that has to do with anything, but 3 seems to be a magic number. Like, we just try 3 times, if they just keep failing, boom, they give it up.
What are you talking about? Not now, King. No, failure is not an option. We fail and we keep going again.
Yeah, I'm not saying you.
No, I'm saying in general. 3 times? No, where people is on 15 failures. What are you talking about?
Some people, they try to.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're saying 3. King, that number is way off. You give it 10. Yes. The guy that made on the funded trader, the guy that made he's a millionaire now. Just the other day he broke it. He failed 50 challenges.
I mean, yeah, it would happen eventually if you don't give up. As long as you don't give up. But some people do give up.
A lot of people ain't built for like, you know what I mean? A lot of people give up. A lot of people ain't built to like sustain themselves, you know?
Yeah.
They ain't got that why. They ain't got that hunger for it.
And if I fail my 3rd time, I'm gonna keep going too. The thing about it is over leveraging, man. If I could stay away from that over leverage, I'm good.
It's impressive that person failed 50 times before he became successful.
He said he just kept going. It wasn't an option. And to me, either it wasn't it's not an option. If I fail, I'm gonna keep going too.
But I think after a couple failures, people need to seriously reassess their strategy and everything. Because, you don't want to be failing 50 times.
You better find somebody like King to walk with.
Man, trust me.
Well, he's a millionaire now.
Trust me. I still make mistakes.
No, we know. I mean, we know. I'm here with you, so I know. But I'm just saying.
But I'll say I did get disciplined though. But it took a while before I got it.
And that's what I'm trying to get to. Discipline. Like, seriously.
With trading, losses not necessarily are, mistakes because it can't be 100%.
Learn from the else.
But it's the risk management. Because like, let me see. The last time I lost my account, I over leveraged on that the news. I didn't anticipate the news going in that direction, so I just left it. My over leverage. I could have came out, but I didn't. So it's like, I think it's the psychology of it, maybe. And thinking, oh, it's gonna go in our favor because I mean, GJ was bound for a pullback, but it didn't happen. So I over leveraged and lost the account, and I'm back in again. Not only that, but my personal account because I had a copier on. So.
But how's the challenge going now?
Oh, it's going pretty good. It's going pretty good. I must say, I'm up. Let me see what I'm up. I'm taking it easy, but I need to move it along. Where's my thing? Some days, like, yes, I'm not trading news yesterday. I was just tired, and I'm like, I'm leaving news alone because the last news did not go good for me. I tell you. Okay, so I'm on a 50K, so I'm up 2.15%.
2.15%.
On a 50K. Which my profit is 4,000, so, and I'm up 1,000 and change.
Okay.
I'm kind of like taking it easy.
Technically, you're up like 25% of your goal.
I don't know. Yeah.
One of those things about prop firms is they say like 50,000 account, 100,000 account, but your drawdown is actually like 10% of that. So
exactly.
your account's actually 10,000, 20,000.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have my account is basically 4,000. So I have to pay attention to that now. I cannot lose another challenge.
Oh, you didn't know that before?
Huh?
You didn't know
Yeah,
that
but
before?
I mean, I knew it, but I mean, one time I was like, the first one I passed, I got funded, I got a payout, and then lost the account. No, this is my fourth one. See, I'm on my fourth. No, I'm on my fourth. The last one I lost with the news. I remember that. I don't know. Remember? Oh my God, I was almost like $200 away from being passing the challenge, and took a GJ trade and over leverage. Like, Charmaine, all you need is $200, and I don't know how I'm putting in a 5 lot size on GJ when I only need $200. I think my psychology was all messed up. And I'm like, I'm up to today, I'm beating myself up over there because I'm like, what? What?
Oh, Yeah, Chamlo says she's on her fourth challenge.
See? Mm-hmm. That's how I'm telling you, you're talking about 3. That was back in the days, King. That was back in the days. As soon as the money run out, we're working hard again to make it back, huh? Because I refuse to go in my savings to take any more money out. That mean all my, what is it? All my stock and option days were for nothing now. I'm close to it, but I had to hold on to this challenge. Oh, he said it 100K is better than the 50K? Okay. I'm telling you. Somebody tell King like 3. King is King, where you been at? 3. 3. Nah. Nah. Nah, he just had an interview. I think it's a white guy. Sorry guys, Caucasian. Yeah. Yeah, I think he said he fell 50 accounts. And he's not talking, he wasn't talking about any 50K. I mean, he had to probably pay at least 400 and change for, I don't remember how much is it for 100K, like 400. Mm-hmm. I'm talking how to say smoking without a sense. Now we get up and do it like we got a big rig. It's getting serious. I know you're curious. Some losses through the process have me furious. But I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. This one for the winners if you with me. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. If it's love, I got it tatted. Father, I'm not absent. I was working smarter back when they was working backwards. Do it for the gram, you only do it for a caption. Dropping back to back, but really I've been relaxing. I might go for months. I could go for years. Charm. I just need attraction. Started with a buck, now I tell a label match it. Yeah, I've been I took that leap of faith, yeah, I really dove off. Nothing I need to say, I let the work show off. For my kids, I go hard, gotta go hard. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up. Yeah. This one for the winners if you with me. Hands up in the sky if you feel me. Charm Love, what account are you on? What account are you on? Wow, Yoki. No stop loss for 4 years. Look at King getting his 10 pips. Don't play with King. Boy, King is a patient man. You learn over the years, huh, King?
Let me get the 10 pips first.
Oh my god.
Then we can talk.
Okay. Oh, Charms you on 100K. Okay. How are you doing on it?
I'm not in gold. I'm only in GJ.
true, you lied. Call my phone and you wanted the scoop, you tried. Stop talking about the deals when you don't have a deal. Lying through your teeth so much you're thinking that it's real. I cut off the loose and so now everything is sealed. I dump off a bag and let my baby count the bills. Bada boom, bada bing. Catch me riding clean, not the paint, but the slips. Got 'em, I can't have no leans. Worry about the scene, like your life is a scene. Go hard and stay humble, can't let nothing come between. I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Then I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now. Not a baby, but I stay right with a bop. Always drop. They were talking about me falling all like, ooh, I cannot stop. I've been talking about the top. My top is now your top. I got business overseas and it's coming by the flop. I started from the bottom, like Patrick with the rock, or Stockton with the rock. I'm too jelly with the rock, and I'm thinking out the box. From New York, no Millie Rock. From New York and not the rock, but that Yankee on my top, and I'm cool like a breeze. Blessed like a sneeze, heard you mentioning me, that's depressing to me. Dress with the ease, dress when I please, with my tats like a sleeve, it's been regular to me. I'ma get that check like I never did before. Then I'ma spend that check like I never did before. Ride off in that vet like I never did before. Then I'ma leave it wet like I never did before. I do everything like it's the first time. Told you what it was, I know you heard now. I do everything like it's the first time. If you're not on my time, then you get curved now.
There we go. Got it. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. You got it again?
Oh, no. I didn't get back in.
Okay, champs. 1 to 3 a day. Yeah.
Spam W's in the chat, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if this thing will give us at least 20 and then TP1 30 pips.
Who else was in it with you?
Hmm?
I'm still trying to see who on YouTube was still in. Hey, you still around? Okay, gone.
She left? No, she's here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, excuse me. So yesterday, in order for me to stay away from, I took my grandbaby out, my grandson out, went to breakfast, and we just drove around till lunchtime. Then we went to lunch. I said, I'm staying away from the house. So I'm not trading. My grandson said, Grandma, put the phone down. You said no trading today. Put the phone down. Every time I try to peek at the charts, I said, all right, if this is what I need to do for the summer after I done make some money, I got to do it. I'm going to start teaching him how to trade.
Guys, like I said earlier in the beginning of this stream, the 7-day free trial that I'm offering to my private trading community is going to end tomorrow. So you have till tomorrow to get the 7-day free trial. And also this month's bootcamp is coming up, the 2-day trading bootcamp. If you're interested in that, the link to that is also in the description. Just make sure you read the instructions before you submit the form. For now, all you have to do is just apply to secure your seats.
Now, King, how did that go yesterday? Did you have new ones in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you returning ones too.
Okay. How that little stinking GJ want to go? Oh, I hate her. GJ.
Oh.
Yeah, it closed out all my positions. I was thinking of re-entering, but I was like, oh God, this is long and drawn out.
Oh, you re-entered?
No. No. I get frustrated when I'm in a trade so long. I guess I have to work on that part of it.
You were a trader. It comes with it.
What's that?
I said you were a trader. Drawdown is part of trading.
I know, right? Oh, I don't mind the drawdown. It's in a drawdown is like being drawn out so long. You see what I'm saying? So I'm working on my psychology. I'm working on it. I think overall I'm just an impatient person, so that's what I'm trying to work on. I'm just the type of person who says I want it now, and this is now is when I want it. This minute I said it, I want it in the next 2 minutes, not 5 minutes.
I'm with you on that.
Yeah, because if you ask me for something, at first chance, I'm getting it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how I am. And I hate people who lack communications. You're like, oh. It's like you tell them you want something and they say, oh, I'm getting it for you. And they haven't gotten it in the time period pass and they're not even saying anything to you.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate people like that. You feel me? You understand 100%. Me, Faye? Oh my God. I just really want to like...
I'm very impatient.
Yes, so impatient.
I tell you what having patience is we're having a new house built and it's nearly ready, and every day it's like, it's nearly ready, it's nearly ready, it's nearly ready. I said, I'm done with hearing that. That's been like for the last 3 weeks. I want to be ready.
Okay. I want to move.
Yeah, I want to move. That's it. I want to move.
And decorate.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
And now we have to move out so that I can move my dad into this house from his other place when he gets out of hospital.
Okay. Okay. So it's closer. How far are you away now from where you're living now?
We're only about 5 minutes drive from our new house.
Oh, and okay then.
But like I've been moved my dad out of his house, which is 5 hours away.
Oh yeah, I remember you saying that.
And so I spent all last week cleaning that out and doing that. So his stuff is all sitting in our carport, ready to move in, but we have to move out. We have to move out first.
Got you. I got you. I got you.
So I need this new house ready now.
So is your husband more calm?
Like we're both just at the stage where we're just, he is.
No, overall, is he the calmer one?
Yeah, he is. We went out one day because I've always worked at home online, doing online marketing and things. And we went out one day a couple of years ago, and I got really grumpy because I was standing in a shop and there were all these assistants around and just like no one was helping. And then when someone finally served us, I was like quite crotchety to them. And Murray turns around and he says, if this is the way you're going to behave when I take you out, I'm not taking you anywhere.
We're being stopped out.
Oh, no, kid. Well, you did good to wait for that.
Yeah, man. Kingabeforex, oh God. I mean, when it got back down to the man, I was like, oh man, I'm gonna get in. And I keep saying to myself, Charmaine, you said no. Once you make your profit, you make your percent for the day, you're gonna leave the trading alone. Oh my God, that's a fight to the oh my God, that is like a battlefield in my head.
All right. I will see you guys at the New York sessions.
All right, King. See you. Have a great day, folks.
See you around.
See you guys later.
Recording stopped.
All right, YouTube. Thank you guys for hopping on. And today was a good trading day. So, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. All my links is down below in the description. All right, so God bless you all, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Peace. I'm signing out.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself